Hello everyone, and welcome. When you pick up your iPhone or use your MacBook, have you ever stopped to think about the incredible journey it took to get into your hands? Today, we're taking you behind the scenes for an unprecedented look inside Apple's China factories. This isn't just about assembly lines, it's a fascinating story of precision engineering, immense scale, and the complex global supply chain that brings our most beloved tech products to life. Get ready to explore the inner workings of one of the world's most powerful manufacturing ecosystems. 1. The scale is staggering, a city of production. Imagine factories so vast they resemble small cities, humming with activity 24/7. That's the reality of Apple's primary manufacturing hubs in China, operated by partners like Foxconn and Pegatron. Picture millions of square feet dedicated to production, housing hundreds of thousands of workers. Think of the sheer volume: millions of iPhones, iPads, and MacBooks produced every single week. From above, these facilities are immense industrial complexes, a testament to the globalized world of technology manufacturing. The scale is almost impossible to comprehend until you see it. 2. Precision engineering, from raw materials to finished product. The journey of an Apple device is one of incredible precision and meticulous detail. Imagine raw materials, aluminum, glass, silicon, arriving by the ton. Picture highly automated machinery working alongside skilled human hands, shaping, cutting, polishing, and assembling components with micron-level accuracy. Think of the specialized robots performing tasks that require superhuman consistency, like applying adhesive or testing circuits. But it's not just machines. Thousands of human workers meticulously inspect, assemble delicate parts, and perform quality checks at every stage. This blend of cutting-edge automation and human expertise is what ensures the flawless finish and performance of every Apple product. 3. The human element lives on the production line. Behind every device are the hands and lives of the workers. Imagine young men and women, many migrating from rural areas, working shifts to meticulously assemble components. Picture their living quarters, their cafeterias, and the support systems within these factory cities. Over the years, there has been significant global scrutiny regarding working conditions, wages, and worker welfare. Think of the ongoing efforts by Apple and its partners to improve labor standards, ensure fair wages, and enhance safety measures. While challenges remain, the industry is constantly evolving, driven by both corporate responsibility and public oversight, to create better environments for this massive workforce. It's a complex balance of efficiency and human well-being. 4. Supply chain mastery, a global dance. Apple's manufacturing in China isn't just about what happens inside the factory walls. It's the culmination of an incredibly intricate global supply chain. Imagine components arriving from hundreds of suppliers worldwide, advanced displays from Korea, camera modules from Japan, sophisticated chips from Taiwan, and specialized sensors from Europe and the US. Picture this vast network of logistics, transportation, and coordination, all precisely timed to ensure that every part arrives exactly when needed for assembly. Think of the challenges of managing such a colossal operation, especially amidst global events like pandemics or trade disputes. It's a masterclass in supply chain management, orchestrating a ballet of parts and processes across continents. 5. Innovation and iteration, constant evolution. These factories aren't just for mass production, they're also crucial for innovation. Imagine engineers from Apple working side by side with factory technicians, refining manufacturing processes, testing new designs, and scaling up production for the next big product launch. Picture the rapid iteration cycles, where feedback from early production runs leads to immediate improvements. Think of the sheer speed at which new technologies are integrated into the assembly lines to meet Apple's demanding quality and design standards. This close collaboration between design, engineering, and manufacturing is a key reason why Apple can consistently deliver groundbreaking products to market. Conclusion. Our journey inside Apple's China factories reveals more than just manufacturing. It uncovers a fascinating ecosystem of human ingenuity, technological prowess, and immense logistical coordination. It's a testament to the globalized world we live in, where complex products are born from a worldwide network of talent and resources. The next time you hold an Apple device, remember the incredible scale, precision, and the countless individuals involved in bringing that technology to life. Outro. What surprised you most about Apple's manufacturing process? Do you think this level of global integration is the future of tech production? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the world of technology and global industry. Thanks for watching.